Hello, what's up? It's been a while, so I will show you the process. Not exactly, not exactly a style tutorial, but the process. Just showing you a process towards which I use to achieve the look in the thumbnail. I don't know what I'm saying, but basically, this is it. Worked in the night because that's when I usually have time to make dresses for myself. First of all, I'm a hobby tailor. That's what I like to call myself. I make clothes for the fun of it and because I like tailoring. Not really because I want to make a career out of it, but I just love tailoring. I love style. It feeds my confidence. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of therapeutic for me in some way. So I love to make dresses, and every now and then I make dresses for people and make some money from it. But basically I'm just a hobby tailor. I just love to make dresses, you understand? So it's not exactly a career path for me. I just love to do it. So this is a process. I was working in the nights and I like to watch movies with my laptop to keep myself entertained when I'm working because I don't like to work in complete silence. I don't know. It makes me feel like I'm running mad. So I need a noise. I need something to be playing in the background. Ideally a movie. I don't like music playing in the background. I just prefer movies playing in the background. Yeah, so this is a process. I was working in the nights. So when they took the light, I had to resume in the morning. You understand? Nepal, Nigeria. What's the combination? But yeah, so yeah, I don't know what else to say. Yes. So yeah, like I said, they took the lights. I had to resume in the morning and continue from where I stopped. So now I'm trying to cut out I'm done with most of the dress, remaining the collar, which is what I'm trying to draft out. I prefer drafting it out on paper first before, I don't know, some people do it directly on the fabric, but I just prefer drafting it out on paper first before cutting it out. But it's also, you can also do it directly. I think it's just a thing of habit. I just prefer cutting it out on paper first before drafting it out. So yes, that reminds me. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments if you want. If you want basically a style tutorial on this, I won't exactly be. I'll possibly cut another dress and use it to show you the style tutorial. But if you want something like that, please let me know. But basically, what I'm just doing is just giving you a look into the process, and just I don't know what else to say, but yeah, yes. And I'm here again. I feel like I should be saying something, but I don't know what else to say. You know, I don't know what else to say. I should probably possibly talk about the things I really care about, like feminism, politics, religion. But yeah, bye.